Welcome to the desired home. Discover our top 10 essential plants that not only enhance your decor but also offer incredible benefits. Let's transform your home into a lush sanctuary of beauty and well-being. Number 1. Fiddle leaf fig. For a bold statement, the fiddle leaf fig is your plant. Its large, glossy leaves make it a stunning addition to any room, and it also helps filter pollutants from the air. Place it in a bright spot in your living room or entryway for maximum impact. Number 2. Monstera deliciosa. Want to add a tropical vibe to your home? The Monstera deliciosa is your go-to plant. Its large, unique leaves make it a striking focal point, while its ability to filter out pollutants like formaldehyde makes it a healthy addition to your living or dining rooms. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just for soothing sunburns. This versatile plant is also a natural air purifier, filtering out toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. It's low maintenance and perfect for sunny spots in your kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom. Number 4. Rubber plant. For a bold, easy care option, the rubber plant is a top pick. Glossy leaves add a dramatic flair to any room while filtering out toxins like formaldehyde. It's a great addition to living rooms, offices, or bedrooms. Number 5. ZZ plant. If you're a beginner, the ZZ plant is practically indestructible. It tolerates low light and irregular watering while still helping to purify the air. Whether in your office, living room, or bedroom, this plant is a resilient beauty. Number 6. Boston fern. Add a touch of lush greenery with a Boston fern. Not only is it beautiful, but it's also a powerhouse at purifying the air. Thriving in high humidity, it's perfect for bathrooms or bedrooms where it can create a fresh, natural atmosphere. Do you have any tips for caring for indoor plants? Drop your best plant care advice in the comments so we can all benefit from your green thumb. Number 7. Peace Lily. With its elegant white flowers, the peace lily is more than just a pretty face. This plant thrives in low light and works wonders at removing toxins and mold spores from the air. It's a great choice for bathrooms or living rooms, where it can truly shine. Number 8. Snake plant. This striking, low-maintenance plant is a must-have for any space. Known for its ability to purify the air by filtering out toxins like formaldehyde, it also releases oxygen at night, making it a perfect companion for your bedroom. Plus, its sleek, upright leaves add a modern touch to any decor. How have plants improved your living space or mood? Tell us your plant story in the comments below and inspire others with your experiences. Number 9. Pothose. Versatile, fast-growing plant that thrives even in low light. It's excellent at removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, and its trailing vines add a lush, green touch to bathrooms, offices, or living rooms. Number 10. Spider plant. The spider plant is a timeless classic that's easy to care for and pet-friendly. It's fantastic at removing harmful chemicals like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde from the air, making it a top choice for offices, bedrooms, or bathrooms. These plants do more than just look good. They contribute to a healthier, happier home. Whether you're aiming to improve air quality, reduce stress, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature indoors, there's a plant here that's perfect for you. What's one plant on this list you'd love to add to your home, and where would you place it? Share your ideas in the comments below. Join our community of design enthusiasts, and let's get your house closer to that elusive haven you've always envisioned. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification icon to never miss an update. We can't wait to share more exciting home design tips and inspirations with you.